This is Darshana Gauchin with your daily news update for February 17th, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Asian financial markets struck a cautious tone on Tuesday in holiday-thinned trading. Markets in China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, and South Korea were closed on Tuesday for Lunar New Year holidays. Japan's Nikkei was down 0.9%, while in Australia, the S&P ASX 200 was 0.24% higher. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.25 points or 0.06% to 426.02. Total trade volume was up with 132,356 shares changing hands at a total value of 577.9 million real, or close to $144,000 US. On the main board, 3 stocks were up, led by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, while 2 stocks were down, with Pestec Cambodia as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering and JS Land stayed flat, while Picasso City Garden was down. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real stayed flat at 4,023 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 97.23. Turning to global commodities, Brent oil prices drifted lower in Asian trade on Tuesday as investors assessed risks of a supply disruption after Iran conducted naval drills near the Strait of Hormuz ahead of nuclear talks with the US later in the day. Brent crude futures were down 0.86% to $68.06 US dollars a barrel. US West Texas Intermediate crude was at $63.21 US dollars a barrel, up 0.51%. Gold dropped more than 2% as holidays in major markets hit liquidity, while a stronger dollar and easing geopolitical tensions added to the pressure. Spot gold dropped 1.5% to $4,917.90 US dollars per ounce after hitting $4,862 US dollars per ounce, its lowest level in more than a week. US gold futures for April delivery lost 2.2% to $4,936.60 US dollars per ounce. Looking at the crypto market, there are mixed signals across major assets. Bitcoin trades at $68,362 US dollars, down 0.74%, while Ethereum fell 0.85% to $1,981 US dollars. Moving on now to other business-related news. The Council for the Development of Cambodia has officially approved a project to set up a plywood factory in the Kokong Jejiang Special Economic Zone. With an investment capital of $4 million US dollars, the project is expected to create 196 jobs and directly benefit residents of Srai Ambal district in Kokong province. The Cambodia Chamber of Commerce and the ASEAN Business Advisory Council of Cambodia, in collaboration with other international chambers of commerce and business associations, will host the ASEAN Cambodia Business Summit 2026 from March 3rd to 4th. The summit will be held under the theme ASEAN Transformation, Innovation, Integration, and Industrial Evolution, with the aim of highlighting the region's role as a global growth hub. Prime Minister Hun Manet will preside over the summit's official opening ceremony on March 4th at the Sofitel Phnom Penh, Pokitra. The Ministry of Commerce has called on local traders, producers, and investors to participate in SIAL Paris 2026, one of the world's largest food and beverage exhibitions, scheduled to take place from October 17th to 21st in Paris, France. The ministry will lead Cambodia's participation in the International Expo and is inviting interested stakeholders to apply to showcase their products and services. That's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gauchin for B2B Asia News.